Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java Variable Part 2 Class 9. In this video, I will show you practically Java data types, and also I will see this variable valid or invalid name, how to work those name. So how to work a data type and how many range is there. Now we're going to practically. Let's go. First, I will going to show you Boolean. Okay, so the Boolean data type, how to work. Let's see. So here I already take a project, a file. So I'm pretty sure you know that how to take a new project. Okay, now let's check out Boolean data types. So the Boolean data type works two things, either true or false. Let me show you. So here you see the Boolean data type, true or false. Okay, so now let's see practically Boolean and then Raihan and then true. Okay, and another is here I take a name, another name, which is Raihan, false, and now let's try to print it. So I'm take a shortcut SOUT, then press tab. Here first I take here, and the next line SOUT. Okay, next line is okay. So what have I done here? So first I take a Boolean data type, and then I take a variable name, and then it's true, or the next is the data type and variable name and false. Okay, and also I take a output statement, okay, which is print statement, and now I'll check it's work or not. Now let's run that. Well, you see the result is true and false. Okay, so I think you got it. The Boolean just do either true or false. Okay, so I think you know that how to comment multiple line codes. Now let's see again. Just do like this. Okay, and we're going to see the next topics, which is characters, numeric, and the numeric under we have two part, but now I'm so this character. Okay, I mean char. So first I take here char, and then we're take a name, so Raihan, and I can take a dollar symbol, okay, because this is a rule of Java, and equal to how much I take a value. You can not take a number. Okay, it's just only one character you should take here. Okay, and now I'm going to take a print. Dollar symbol. Okay, so you see first I take data, is a character data, and we take a variable name and value and the print statement. Now let's check it will work or not. Okay, that's it. You see I got a result is A. If you add here more text, for example B, C, D, so you see first I got in line error. Okay, so now let's check it. I'm pretty sure it's not work. Yes, I've got a error because here just work with just only one characters. Okay, just only one characters, then it will be work. Okay, That's it. I think you got it, characters data. And now I'm going to comment this line. Okay. And I will going to show you the next character, which is integral, and the integral are integer and floating. So first, the integer, I have a byte. Okay, so I'm going to show you byte data type. Okay, so you need to know that here the byte data type have a 8 bit its size. The range is minus 128 to 127. Okay, so now let's check out these. Let's check it. Byte, and the variable name is Raihan. How much I take here? 127. Okay, take a print SOUT. Sorry, Raihan. So here you see I take first byte data type and the variable name, okay, and the value. Okay, so this byte data type, the range is 128, but I take here a 7. Okay, and now let's check out this code. Yes, this build success, and I got this output. If you add here more value, for example, I take a more value, then you look, I got error because their range over. Okay, so I can take more value. Okay, if you take here a minus, then it will work because the minus is also there. Okay, it will be work. Okay, I got it. Okay, so I think you understand this byte code, and now I'm going to comment those line, and I will going to show you the next topics. So what was next topics? Now let's check it. So this is a sort. Okay, so now let's see that the sort I have integer type, and this is a 16 bits. Okay, and the range is 32,768 to 32,768, this range. Okay, now let's check out sort. The variable name is Raihan. Okay, and the value I give here. So here here you see I got an error. That's mean I take more value out of the range, and now I need to take 5. It will okay. And now I'm going to print out this. So I take a shortcut SOUT and press tab. Okay, this is a shortcut. Okay, Raihan, and now let's check out this program. Well, this output we are got. Okay, you can also take its minus. Okay, it's no problem. It will be work. I'm pretty sure it will be work. Okay, you see I got this number. Okay, I think you got it. Sort data type. Let's comment it. Okay, the next data type. What was next data types? Let's check it. So integer. Okay, so integer, you look here the integer, and this is 32 bits the size, and range is it's too much range. Okay, so now let's check out this program. So int, and the variable name, it could be any kind of name you can take it, equal to. Here I take too much of value, but it's not give error. Okay, that's mean it's will work. Okay, now let's run this code. Yes, this code is working properly. Or if you include more text, then it will be get error because it's out of the range. Okay. So same, if you take a minus, then it will be work, no problem. Okay, I think you understand this integer data type. Now let's comment it, and I will going to show you the next is long. Okay, so now let's check how much is their range or size. So the long have a lot of size. You see the 64 bit, and their range is uncountable range. Okay, now let's check it. So this is long, and the variable name is I take it unicoder. Sorry, I'm not taking a space. Unicoder. I just okay, and now let's take a lot of number, and okay. Oh, sorry, I think it's could be wrong. It's maybe it's 2 over. Okay. And here I take a shortcut, is a print statement shortcut, SOUT, and then tab. Okay. And here I type unicoder. Okay. And now let's check it, this program. Perfect. I got a result successfully. I think you got this long data type. So long data type is store is much more value. Oh, okay, I think you understand. Now I will going to show you the next data type. So I comment this line. So the next data type was a floating point. Okay. So first you see this is float. Okay, the float have one thing, which is their default is 0.0 and size is 32 bit. Now let's check it on data. So now first I take data type float, FLOAT float, and name is okay, equal to, you take its 1.2 and then F. Okay, this is our rules. And now let's print out this code. It's work or not. Sorry. What is the wrong? Oh, not wrong. Okay, now let's check it. Here I got 1.2. Okay, if you remove this F, then it's not work. Okay, this is the rules. You should use this F. Okay, I think you got it. This float data type. What does this float data type, or which purpose you use this data type? This data type is used just for floating. Okay, and it's should be always 1.2, or it could be any number, but you should use a point. Okay, so now let's comment this line, and the next we have a double. Okay, so the double range 64 bits. Okay, and here is a lot of range. Now let's check it. Variable name is num equal to, I take is here, I can take is a lot of value. Now let's check out SOUT. This is a short code. Okay, and type this, and here no. Now let's check it. Yes, this is work, and you can take a lot of value. You can take a lot of value. Okay, When you think I need more data storage, you will use this data type. Okay, so this video last of the part. Now in this part I will going to show you invalid variable name. Okay, so what will work the invalid variable name? For example, num take a plus, then here you see I will got error. Okay, because you cannot use plus, you cannot use minus, you cannot use point. Okay, it's not provide rules to use any kind of operator or sign. Okay, just you can only use dollar sign. Okay, there is no error. So it was the video of data type. If you have any question about these topics or about this video, please comment section below, comment me. I will going to explain about these topics more details. I don't know how much I understand to you or not, so I'm optimistic that I will provide you it's too much more better. Okay, and the program is harder if you don't practice. Okay, so every day you should practice any one program. Okay, or any one statement or line. You continuously work with a program, then you will become a programmer. Otherwise this sector is to you very harder. Okay, so the next generation is depend on programming language is so demandable. So that's why you should always working with new something. Okay, so this video is enough for today. See you the next video. Have a good day.